If I may.
Go ahead, sir.
So we have 3 items on here that are really straightforward, but since they're timely, we went ahead and put them on here. Inventory deletions will be the first one. This is just a follow-up with the auditors. These are items that will be taken off the list. We have to have board approval to do so. That way they won't talk about them or pull them or anything like that when it comes that time. It's a standard, but Misty wanted me to go ahead and put this on for this agenda, or for this meeting today. So you should have that there. There's 8 or 7 or 8 items on there, something like that. Yep, to be removed. In a motion for removal.
So moved.
Second.
We have a motion by Mr. Holyfield and a second by Mr. Powers. All in favor? Well,
Question.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my first time, I don't know nothing. Why are we taking them out?
So they're just items that are no longer in use with us, that we don't use them anymore. And when the auditors pull a record of all the things that are in usage, this won't be one of them anyway, but they're still on our inventory list. So it's essentially just removing it from our inventory list because it's no longer in usage.
So what are they gonna do with the supplies?
They were sold, or they're out of business, or they're out of stock already. Some of these will be things that have been replaced, or some of these will be things that we'll sell at a future date.
so better just kind of pull it for active, put it in.
Yeah, it's inactive and we're doing away with it. Yes, sir.
So, any more questions? I'm sorry about that. Ms. Jones, I'm not used to doing this part, so I went straight to a vote. I apologize.
No problem.
So we have a motion and a second. Is there any other further questions or comments? All in favor of the inventory deletions? Show by raising hands, I'm sorry.
I'm going to abstain because of this here.
All right, Mr. Hamilton, if you want to take back over, we just did B right here.
Right, yeah, I got you.
Other business.
So
And if you want to make your announcement of roll call attendance also.
Well, we're here, there's only a few people, so we'll bypass that.
So the next item is purchase of items, and so this will be paid for with magnet money. This is replacing there's 50 teacher computers that we're replacing, some are at end of life. We're blessed to have magnet funds to be able to do this. For replacement, you'll see the price tag on there is, pretty pricey, but that's just what it costs. So that's for replacement, paid for with magnet funds.
Question. The old ones, what happens to the old ones?
So if they're no longer in usage, they'll kind of be just like this. They'll be off the list going forward. If they're broken, they're no longer in use. We'll sell them or get rid of them.
So will they notify the board of which ones, or how many were broken and how many we gonna sell, or?
Yes, whenever it comes time for asset selling and whatever else, will come to the board.
How long does that usually take
For which part?
to sell once approved?
It just depends. We're talking to a company right now. I think we're looking at March to be able to get some of that off the books.
Okay.
Because we still had some, they're very, very old, like longer than I've been here, that we're looking at off the books as well.
If I'm in order, I move that we accept the purchase to replace the device. Is that the one we're doing?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
purchase to replace devices.
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
Second. It's been moved by Ms. Moss, seconded by Mr. Holyfield, that we accept the purchase to replace our devices. Those in favor, show by your hand. And we have unanimous vote. Next up is the SAM purchase.
So this did not need to come to you, but I'm suspicious on things in general. So I like to do a belt and suspenders piece.
Mhm.
So this is not, a couple things. One, it's a single source. It's paid for with magnet funds. It doesn't hit the state threshold of 25,000 to even come to the board. But since it's a single source and we're paying with federal money, I wanted to go ahead and bring that to you. Again, because it's single source, we don't believe that it would matter anyway. But I don't want to come this time next year, the auditor say something like, well, did you get this approved? And we didn't. So I'm just suspicious of things like that. So this is a belt and suspenders approach to bring to you today for the SAM training.
Action item on, or just information?
No, it's an action item. I would like for it to be.
Yes.
So exactly is SAM training?
So SAM training is leadership training and time management training and coaching for leaders across the district. So I've used it before. All this is paid for with grant money, period. This is magnet money. The first time around was CSL money.
It is open to all teachers,
Not teachers, administrators,
all administrators?
for the 4 schools.
If I'm in order, I move that we accept the National SAMS Innovation Project invoice.
Second.
It's been moved by Ms. Moss, seconded by Ms. Jones, that we approve that purchase item. Those in favor, show by show of hands. And we have unanimous vote.
All right, thank you guys for doing that, I really appreciate it.
If there's nothing else before the board, we consider ourselves adjourned.
Nope.
No, we gotta go with.
Evaluation.
So executive session, yes, somebody needs to
Okay,
make-
so
I make a
I need,
motion.
go ahead.
I make a motion to move to executive session to discuss superintendent's evaluation.
Okay.
Been moved by Mr. Porter, seconded by Ms. Moss, and we go to executive session for the purpose of considering evaluation. Gentlemen, we're back in regular session. We have done our superintendent's evaluation. The results are to go ahead and give him the answers behind what we did and bring it back to the table so we can discuss those things on the next regular board meeting. We'll be back in executive session again. If there's nothing else before the board, we will consider ourselves adjourned. Good?
And we'll be back in executive session next.
Yeah.
Next meeting, yeah,
next
yeah.
board meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, next meeting, yeah.
So we're just adjourned from this meeting.
Adjourn from here to go to the next part of the
The 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
We don't have any business to do.